Well, hi guys, it's a beautiful Saturday and I'm sitting on my front porch just taking a little break. Chris and I are going to see our favorite band play, Macy Guard, at the local pizzeria downtown Hillsboro. But I went to the farmer's market, got a bunch of strawberries. I like doing these, they're not vintage dishes, but they're kind of like recipes that I grew up with, and they're just kind of fun. They bring back a lot of memories, to me and stuff like that. So I'm gonna make that strawberry with like a whipped cream, yogurt, or whatever topping on it with the pretzel kind of crust. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it. I'm not sure what it's called when I was growing up, but I saw it at, LPA functions, and you know, people would bring a dish, and they would bring this dish, especially in the summertime, and strawberries are in season, so I cannot wait. But anyway, I just thought, what are you guys doing this Saturday? I got my little water here because it's hot. We're not used to it out in the Northwest, but it is nice. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. So check out Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. More recipes are coming your way. And some other stuff. We're trying to, well, I shouldn't say we. Lisa, oh my gosh, I have such a good team. But Lisa and I do these lives, and we kind of want to bring on a guest once in a while and see if anyone would be interested in just picking a subject and just finding someone that would like to talk about it, whether it be just getting older. I'd love to do a thing on grandparents. Our last live, we had a lot of grandparents questions, and I love that. So I really want to take a time to dive into that. But anyway, besides, I do more than just cooking. I love to chit chat, so I would love to get more into that. So anyway, take care, you guys. Have a good rest of your weekend.